Hello and welcome to today's gardening vlog. Today I'm down here on the allotment in my shed, as my task for today is to get it all cleared and tidy, ready for next year, ready for planting my seeds, as that's the first task of next year. So I will also be extending my shed by quite a bit, so I've got to get it ready for the extension to be built onto it. So let's show you around. So as you can see, it is absolutely messy. I've got a lot of work to do. As you can see, I've got bindweed growing, so all that needs to be pulled out and basically just tidy it all up, ready for next year. This back bit over there is going to be where I take off the panels, and it's going to be extended on that side. So I do need to take out all these cupboards so that I can just walk straight into it. So let's get cracking. One thing I've got to sort out next year is this. As you can see, I need to raise the roof up. It's gonna go soon if I don't raise it up. Save me keep doing this up there. So that's it for today. I've tidied my shed. It's ready for my next job, which I'll just show you what I'm going to do. So it's all tidy. Those are my strawberry runners, which are growing well, ready for next year. So it's all nice and cleared. I'm happy with how all that's gone on. Still a bit of stuff to clear up, but yeah, it's all tidy. So my next job is to take down all them cupboards and shelving, because that's where I'm going to take my extension. So I've got all that to do. And I'm also going to take down all my other shelving and start from scratch, and I'm going to get it all repainted, ready for next year to look better, a bit more spruced up. So yeah, job well done.